India, the land where rivers cradle civilizations, now faces an urgent call to action. Once abundant water bodies are drying up, leaving millions vulnerable. Groundwater extraction surpasses 239 trillion litres annually, but only 6% of rainwater is saved. Each monsoon, 78% of precious rainwater flows into the ocean unused. Yet, this is not just about water, it's about livelihoods, ecosystems, and hope. But amidst this crisis, a revolution is unfolding. Led by the art of living and inspired by Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar, communities across India are uniting to turn the tide and restore balance. The Art of Living's journey begins with a vision. Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar's belief that water is the essence of life has inspired millions to take action. His call to protect and nurture water sources resonates across the country, empowering communities to reclaim their rivers and rebuild ecosystems.
कुछ साल पहले पानी की इतनी बड़ी समस्या थी। मैं उन सब वॉलंटियर्स को और सब टीचर्स को बधाई देता हूँ, कितना उन्होंने मेहनत करके पानी अभी पूर्ण हो गया। और पानी का कैसे संरक्षण करना, जल संवर्धन कैसे करना, इस पर सब लगे। तो इस तरह से किसान को भी आगे सब तरह का तरक्की होगी। इसलिए मैं उन सबको कहूँगा, आपकी आंसू पोंछने के लिए हम खड़े हैं, आप चिंता न करें।
This revolution is powered by people. Thousands of volunteers have united with communities, empowering them to restore their ecosystems. Women farmers and youth have become the custodians of rivers, turning challenges into opportunities. At the core of this mission is innovation. The Art of Living harnesses a blend of traditional wisdom and modern technology, deploying scalable solutions tailored to India's diverse terrains. From precision-guided GIS mapping to the strategic planting of trees, these initiatives stabilize ecosystems and enhance soil quality. Central to these efforts are the innovative water conservation structures like the Jal Tara, designed to directly recharge the groundwater and sustainably manage our precious water resources. Jal Tara structures, efficiently designed for maximum rainwater, capture, penetrate impervious layers, delivering water where it's most needed, below ground. These structures, which are approximately 4 by 4 feet wide and 6 feet deep, are built at the lowest gradient within an arable acre plot of land. This structure is then filled with varying sizes of rocks, which enables rainwater to bypass the dense impervious topsoil to the lower surface of the structure. 2 fruit-bearing trees are also planted on the land to make optimum use of it. Boulder check dams utilize local materials to slow water flow, allowing more time for percolation and helping to restore groundwater levels sustainably. Recharge wells extend deep into the earth, strategically enhancing the aquifer's capacity to store water, crucial for both agriculture and daily community use. Recharge bore wells reaching depths of up to 80 meters are vital for penetrating deeper geological layers, significantly boosting aquifer volumes across vast areas. Recharge shafts effectively manage rapid surface runoff, channeling rainwater into subterranean reserves, thus enhancing both quantity and quality of groundwater. Desiltation revitalizes water bodies by removing silt, enhancing water storage, flow, and quality while recycling nutrient-rich silt for agricultural use. Desilting is also done using the 80-20 rule. in which 80 meters of the riverbed is desilted. The remaining 20 meters are left untouched. This creates a series of small water storage ponds which enhances groundwater recharge. Contour trenches are built where there is low rainfall, less than 750 millimeters per year, and the slopes are 8%. The purpose of contour trenches is to arrest soil erosion and increase soil moisture. Water pools capture subsurface flows, reducing evaporation and supporting local ecosystems, acting as natural filtration systems. These targeted, innovative solutions collectively rejuvenate natural and human landscapes, ensuring sustainable water resources for future generations. Through these initiatives, the Art of Living demonstrates that effective conservation strategies can indeed turn the tide against water scarcity. The impact is transformational. Over 34.5 million people now live with renewed hope. Groundwater levels have risen by an average of 14 feet. Farmer incomes have doubled. Crop yields have increased by 42%. And entire regions have moved from drought to prosperity. This mission extends far beyond today, with a vision to recharge 15 trillion litres of groundwater and benefit 1 lakh villages in the next 5 years. The Art of Living continues to lead the charge. Every rupee invested delivers an SROI of 25.30 rupees, reflecting the profound economic and social value of these initiatives. Water is more than a necessity. It is life itself. The Art of Living has shown that when we act together, rivers flow, communities thrive, and hope is restored. This is our chance to make every drop count. Join us in this vital mission. Together, we can revive rivers, rejuvenate ecosystems, and secure a future of harmony and hope for all.